Hello everyone, welcome back. Today's the day that I'm going to be finishing off painting the back kitchen area of the van. Now I've finally come to a decision with what colours that I want. So this is the shrimp pink, which is by Little Green, and it is a chalk based paint. It's completely natural and it's super thick and vibrant in colour. Now I've already done this one coat. We're working with these cubbies today and you can follow me as I finally finish off this back kitchen ready for the worktop and the splashback. Wish me luck! Let's just get a screwdriver and we'll open this guy up. So lovely. Right, I'm going to pop that down in my paint tray. Let's get a painting. Right, I've got my first box. I've just done all of the boxes one coat, so they are just down there going to be drying for a bit, and now we're going to do the framework behind me and do all the internal cubbies and the big pull out drawer. So let's do that. Right, well it's the end of the day. I finished all of this boxing and the panel at the end. Really pleased with the colour and how it's turned out. I mean, I've even got paint like all in my face. This isn't from painting, this was just from me washing out the paintbrush and the roller. Join me tomorrow where I paint the drawer. I'm going to varnish the top as well and also complete the bedroom storage painting as well. Didn't get a chance to do it all today, but I'm super pleased with these boxes, and I finally did the panel at the end as well. See you in the next video, guys. Mel's in the corner checking me out. Say bye, Mel.
Bye, Mel.
And we will see you in the next video.
I was watching the swallows.
Oh, were you?
Yeah. See
Oh, cool.
dancing around.
We're just watching the swallows. They're flying in to the barn and catching the bugs. Mel just pointed it out. So see if we can show you.
I think they're gone. It's incredible. There were like 3 of them. They're flying in and out the door. I think they're gone now. I'm walking around with 2 discs that I've just varnished.